Welcome to the Writer's Toolbox course. In this course, I'm going to teach you some tools, tips, apps, and hacks for instantly improving your writing. My name is Tyler Spiegel, and I'm a professional copywriter and freelance blogger. And over the past several years, I've had the opportunity to have my work published in some of the world's largest online publications. Places like the Huffington Post, the Blaze, and many others. And during that time, I've had the opportunity to use a lot of writing tools, a lot of writing apps and resources online. I've used some great ones and not so great ones, but I've done the dirty work for you. I've crowdsourced the world's greatest writing tools and put them all in one place, into a writer's toolbox in this course where I will show you how to use them. If you're a copywriter, a blogger, a freelance writer, a writer of any sort, this course is going to help you write more effectively, more persuasively, and even make more money with your writing. The tools in this toolbox are the result of hours and hours of trial and error to find the very best ones. If you'll join me in this course, I'm going to show you step by step how to access these free tools and how to use them most effectively. I'm going to show you tools for brainstorming ideas, tools for finding the most effective keywords for whatever you're writing about, tools for researching effective advertising copy and landing page copy, direct sales copy. I'm going to show you tools for crafting killer headlines so that you can grab attention and get people to click. I'm going to show you tools for organizing your writing so that you always have what you need and when you need it. And then I'm going to show you the very best apps for boosting your writing productivity so you can get more done in less time. But not only will you have all these tools, you're going to know how to use them. I'm going to show you how to take these tools and make the most out of them for whatever you're writing for and for whatever you're writing about. So stop letting the competition have the advantage. Get this writer's toolbox, get inside the course, meet me inside, and let's get to work. Don't take my word for it. Look at the reviews, take their word for it. I can't wait to get started with you.